Ann Curtis is here. Oh my God. Ang ganda niya. We're gonna eat!
May tag?
Hindi nag-transfer. We don't.
What do you want?
I'm so busog. Hello guys, we're here na at Sundowners. Hello!
You know me. I'm the one to watch it.
So let's go around so I can show you guys. Hi!
Hello. Oh, give it another way.
There. We'll be staying sa villa number 3. So, it's currently 2:28 p.m. So, yung check-in time namin is 3 p.m. pa. I'm with my sister. Nauna na sila dun. So, ikot tayo. Cute nung pool, guys. Meron din siyang volleyball area for the pool. And then, here's the infinity pool. And then, sa other side yung beach. Later, we'll go there. Ann Curtis is here. Oh my God. Sobrang ganda ni Ann Curtis. Look over there. Ang ganda niya. Fun po sa oh. Thank you so much. Bye. Girl, na kaya magpa-picture kay Ann Curtis. Sobrang ganda sis. Sobrang ganda niya. She's like so Diyosa. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo yung picture. You know. Tapos magkatabi kami ng villa. We'll be here for 3 days and 2 nights. So, may best friendin ko siya. Hi, Ann! Ikabit ko BLK. They also have like souvenir shop here. Where you can get stuff na gusto nyo. And, ayan. There. I think seashells. There's games also that you can play.
Never have I ever.
Here. There. And then clothes and swimsuits. And Andy, I want this. Accessories. There's accessories. Here's the outfit. Hello. Okay, it's 2:48. We're going na sa room. So I'm gonna do a tour later. Here's our villa. We'll be staying here for 3 days. So here, pwede kayo mag-grill. And then there's a pool area over here. I'm gonna go upstairs para mapakita ko sa inyo. Second floor is kitchen area. Ayan. So, nasa baba lahat ng rooms, guys. So, pwede kayo tumambay here. Pwede kayo magluto. There's the kitchen and there's a fridge also. And here's what I'm excited about, yung balcony. Let's go outside. And here's the balcony area. Sobrang laki ng balcony. Pwede kayo tumambay dito. I'm with my brother.
Ang ganda.
What?
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda. And then the view is like this. Ayun yung pool area namin, guys. And then ayan. And then here sa kabila is ayan. Ano tayo ulit kasi I need to unpack and hindi ko pa alam kung saan yung room namin. So, let's go. May extra bed din dito. Tapos hindi ko alam bakit siya nandun. Hello! And then extra pillows, extra anything. And then here's our room. May extra bed din here. And then, yun yung stairs. And then, that's it. Pinaka-favorite part ko, guys, when you go inside the room, yung labasan niya is yung pool area na agad. Which is here. Wait, I'm gonna show you. There. And then, ayan na yung pool area. Ayan, there.
I vlog better than Nico. Nico's a gorilla and she's dang. Nico fart in the car earlier. Don't follow her.
Hello guys, I'm gonna unpack my stuff. Here's my stuff. I'm sharing baleta with my sister. Labas ko lang here is yung skincare and my makeup. Kasi feeling ko durug-durug na siya sa biyahe pa lang. Anyway, guys.
Kiehl's for sponsoring this video.
Yeah, thank you, Kiehl's. Alam niyo ba, super happy ako with this Kiehl's na pouch because super dami nung pwede nyo ilagay. Like, look, I brought a bunch of makeup. Meron pa akong lashes. And, okay lang siya. Sakto lang. Kasya siya sa lahat. Anyway, I'm gonna retouch my lippy.
Their bidet is golden.
We have golden bidet. Gagalit ko yung pinsan ko kasi tirik ko yung araw. Gusto ko lang naman ng maayos na picture pang Instagram. Wala naman siyang choice kasi sumusunod naman siya. Yan, tatain ako. Nasa arawan, nakita niyo yung pores ko. Ayan po, ito po yung nilalakaran namin. Kita niyo po gaano katirik yung araw dyan. Pero kailangan natin ng maayos na picture.
May ano,
Hi guys, so we're nakatambay sa balcony and I'm gonna show you yung view from here. Here's our view and ayun, yung dulo is beach. We're at the beach waiting for the sunset.